Today, I'm going to give you a detailed briefing about the favorite developer, Aldar. Aldar is a government developer of Abu Dhabi, and we are going to brief you about all its projects in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. The video is long, but it has a lot of information of the current availability. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The best part is it will be having a briefing of the new project, Wild, which is coming up in Dubai at a hot location 311 exit. So for entire detail, watch the video and stay tuned with us. If you all have any questions, get in touch with us. We will give you a briefing and we can secure your unit in Wild as a great investment opportunity.
At this moment of time, we have got one unit in Yas Riva Residence. So let's open Yas Riva Residence. Go to the residences. I'll come up one by one. I will start. So there's only one unit left. This has come from a cancellation. So this is in Ventus building, right? Ventus is here, this building. We have it on the ground floor, G04, right? This particular unit, which is a corner unit. Now the thing is, your canal side is this side and Disney side is this. So this is a corner unit. You can just tell the client it's a corner unit facing the park. And by the way, pool is also in front. So it's a good unit to go for. It's a 2-bedroom. The price is 3.36 million, right? The last unit, Yas is hot. You can sell it easier. 3.36. You can see it on the broker portal. I'll just tell you. Okay, the payment plan is same 6535 with 10% down payment and 2% ADM. Right, then on the Yas, we have a penthouse, which is a project. Everyone has seen Ansam. Next to Ansam, we have a project, Yas Links Luxury World of Astoria project. All right. On the right side, as you see, Formula is there. This is on the golf course exactly. Building 1 is this one. So 801 is a beautiful penthouse having full water and golf course views, right? Right in the front, this is the golf course, and the back side is the road and the Formula side, right? On the right side is all Ansam side. Left side is your Mayan. This penthouse is around 38.5 million. I think a nominal value for a penthouse, owning something on the golf course and something very exclusive. World of Astoria, it's one of the top hotel chains of the world, right? So this is World of Astoria. It's unfurnished apartments. They are not furnished, but they are designed with all the best finishings from Waldorf. Any questions on this? 60/40 is the payment plan, yeah? 38.5 million. As of now, you have to pay 15% down payment because it has reached to that level. And then every 10 months, every probably 4, 5, I think 6 months, every 6 months is 10%. So 60/40 payment plan. Samayas is a project. It was one of our luxury projects before Disney was announced. So that time, the prices seem to be very high for people. But now, secondary market is booming. You know, the one beds we sold at 2.1. Now we are selling Yas Riva Residence, which is a silver announced project. We are selling at more than 2 million. This is a gold project, Samayas. So this is right next to, if everyone, you guys have seen, so these are Yas Park View Villas, right? On the right side is Yas Park Gate. If we go on top, so left side is your Yas Park Residences. So these are the 3 bedrooms, 3 buildings of Samayas. The good thing is you have all the luxury segments. The biggest Yas Park, which is this one, you have soccer field, you have lawn tennis fields, you have a lot of greeneries, lot of walking park areas. This is going to be the biggest Yas Park which is there on the north of Yas Island. All right, 3 buildings are there. Building 1, 2, 3. Let's see the inventory. What do we have in Samayas? So Samayas, we still have 16 units. The 2 beds will start from 5.9 million. Those are the duplexes on the ground level. Right, we'll go through one of the units. Let's go to building 2nd. Let's go to the ground level. As you see on the ground level, you have these duplexes. Let's see G04, the corner one. Right, now this one is a duplex, terrace, living room, kitchen, powder room, down, and on the first floor if you go, you have both the master bedrooms. All right, this starts from 5.9 million. The payment plan remains, right now we have 50/50. It's a special payment plan right now. There is no ADM waiver. Client has to pay the ADM as well. All right, so in this, the client will pay approximately 15% down payment now. And then the first installment is on June, and then every 7 months. 5.9 million for a 2 bedroom. The 3 beds will start from 6.7 million. All the units are on the ground level. Each and every unit on Samayas is on the ground level. All right, most of them are duplexes. So this is the inventory when it comes to Yas. This is Fahid Island, guys. Just to start, here we are coming up with the Disney. All right, on the north of Yas. On this side of the road, if I talk about of Yas, we only have Samayas, right, which I explained you earlier, and Yas River residence. Then we have all the major villa communities by Aldar. Exactly here would be the Disney coming up, and the closest to Disney is Fahid, right? Now the if you talk about just all right, if I talk about Fahid, this side and this side consists of 11 kilometers of waterfront community, right? Either side of the road. Right in the center, we have our sales offices. This beach is a natural beach, it's not a man made beach. So it's the copy paste of Saadiyat, right? You can always show the client, you can get him to the fight. It's always easier to have him see the community before he buys, he decides to go ahead with the unit. Let's go into the community now. All right. So, right in the center, as I told, this is King's Beach, sorry, King's College coming up, the school, right, from London. We have 5-star resorts coming here and this side of the road. Oh, sorry, not this side. This might be, we don't know, not sure, but might be the casino getting launched. God knows. And over here also you have 5-star resorts coming up. Coming back to this part, the first 7 buildings were Fahid Beach residences, which were sold out by Aldar. Right, we only have 2 bedrooms. Those are all partial sea facing units. Then we launched the next 6 buildings, which are Fahid Beach terraces. Right, in this again we have 2 and 3 bedrooms, but all partial. Full sea view units. Last time when we met, we had I think 16 units. Everything is sold out with the offer. Right now, okay, at the time of launch, Fahid Beach we were selling with a payment plan of 65-35. At this moment of time, guys, the whole Fahid Island, all the projects have come to 50-50 payment plan. It's really a great opportunity because selling something with Aldar with a flexible payment plan, it comes very rare. Normally, it's always 65-35, right? So, the inventory, let's start. And then we have the third project, which are these 11 buildings, which is a second row called as the Beach House Fahid, right? Let's start with the Beach House Fahid. There are total 11 buildings. Or guys, regarding the amenities, there's one pool here and there's another pool this side. There you have a community center, here you have a community center, so 2 of them. On the ground level, you will see all restaurants, either side of the road, everywhere. The cafes and restaurants are there, right? So they are G+8, G+9 buildings. This side of the road, you have mangroves, right? Then we have partial community views and then we have partial sea views. So partial sea views are all sold out, let's not work. Either we have the community facing or we have the mangrove facing unit. 2 bedrooms, 1 beds are all sold out. So 2 beds from 4.7 and the 3 beds bare minimum will start from 5.6, the cheapest 3 beds. Right, you can see the inventory on the broker portal. Again, I can keep sharing. So I think 3 bedroom is really a very good buy. 5.6, few units. So we have 3 units, 5.6, 5.7, 5.7. Then from the 4th onwards, the bare minimum is 6.4 million. So let's try to sell these 3 bedrooms starting from 5.7 million. Guys, Fahid Island is really a very good destination to buy. Reason, it's a new island. What we saw in Yas or Saadiyat at the time of pre-launch, what used to be Mamshas at 5-6 million, today you see the prices more than 20 million. 4-5 times the prices have already gone up. This is going to be the same case when it comes to Fahid. 3 advantage you can always tell to the client. First of all, we are talking about the connectivity, right? When we talk about connectivity, what comes in our mind? We have airport. Airport, you're talking about 14 to 15 minutes away from this destination. Second is always a location. Okay, the thing is, from the main highway, getting back inside the community will not take more than 2 minutes. The distance towards the highway and the connectivity connecting all the places within the islands in Abu Dhabi is very, very near because you don't have to go inside a lot like what we go in Saadiyat or Yas. Third, again, it's a beach front destination. We might announce casino in the future, we don't know. Again, let's not talk about it at this moment of time. But having a King's College, then we have a hospital plot on the extreme right. I don't know the exact plot, but on the top you will see there's a hospital plot is also there. So it's going to be a fully fledged mixed community. All right. So Fahid is going to be a destination which you will see a capital appreciation probably after 3 years of time. But this is a time to purchase. Why? Because the community has just launched. It's been only 1 year. The construction has just started. From here on, the prices will start increasing. Lot of projects to come in the future. So let's talk about the projects. See all these communities coming up. On the top, we have so many apartments coming up, projects, and this thing. And probably, I think after Eid, we'll be coming up with a townhouse and villas on this side, on the mangroves by Fahid. It's not going to be cheap. This is going to be a premium luxury townhouses and and villas. We are expecting the launch to be after Eid. Don't know, maybe Q2. The service charge on Fahid Island is around 34 dirhams per square feet. We mentioned last time also. 50-50 is the payment plan. Beach house, every building, bare minimum you have to pay is 10% down payment. There's nothing with the 5%. If you're going with 5%, then you can go for Fahid Beach Terraces. Inventory in all the 3 projects. The front, Fahid Beach Terraces and residences, we only have partial 2 and 3 bedrooms. There's no sea view unit left. Saadiyat, again, this is a cultural district. I keep emphasizing on this, one of the best areas to invest in Abu Dhabi. This is one of the top 20 projects which have been listed on Bloomberg. Which is cultural district. Starting why cultural district? With the name in itself, we have all the top museums, some of the big names from all over the world when it comes to museum. We have Louvre Museum, you have Guggenheim Museum from US, which will be ready by end of this year, and then you have Sheikh Zayed National Museum, which already opened its door 2 months back in December, right before the New Year's. Then we have Abrahamic Family House, which is the first in the world for the first time. You have a mosque, church, and synagogue all together. Very new concept for the first time. Then when we go down, and then we have Natural History Museum and Team Labs Phenomena from Japan, having all artificial intelligence work. This building, what you see right now, is our current Saadiyat office, if you come, right? The Grove Sales Center. So this is going to be the whole business district coming up for the commercials. Or at the Rose Saadiyat. So we are fully sold out with the 1 beds and the 2 bedrooms without maid. All we have available is 2+ maids and 3+ maids. The 1 bed started from 3.7, sold out. The 2 beds started from 5.5, 5.6 million, they are sold out. The 2+ maid starts from 7 million onwards, we have available. And 3+ maids, probably starting from 10 million onwards, again we have availability. So we have availability in all the buildings now. We have completely open all the buildings, right? From 1 till 7, all the buildings are open now. Of course, there is all the best museums are there, we have the mall and all, but the lifestyle which they have, first of all, they have Seoul Beach. They don't find this beach in any part of the world. One of the beautiful parts. Focusing heavily on this. You have New York universities, you have Cranleigh schools, you have American pre-prep schools. So literally it has everything close by. And again, 5 minutes away from this, we have Al Maria Island, which is the national financial hub of Abu Dhabi right now. So a lot of family offices are opening up. We can see big names already started, like BlackRock, we have JP Morgan's, all these big names who are dealing in trillions. If they have set up their family offices in ADGM, that means it's a big thing. The future of Abu Dhabi is very bright. So you can always focus. Coming back to Row, why is Row is very special. We have a lot of projects on cultural district, but the pricing what Row offered with its location, guys, it was commendable. This project is just a minute's walk to Sheikh Zayed National Museum. The architect of this particular project, Row, is they are the top 3 architects in the world who designed these projects. The finishing what Row had to offer, comparing it to its price, it was very good. That's why it went up very fast. Right? Now to focus on the cheapest, 2 beds will start from 7.6 million going up till 12 million for the 3 beds. Right? 65-35, same payment plan like a launch, and ADM, the client has to pay the ADM. The service charge on this project is around 28 dirhams per square feet. Few units, 2 bedrooms in Mamsha Gardens, which is right behind the first building of Saadiyat Island. Mamsha Gardens are 2 bedrooms, they are actually very expensive, so I don't think so you guys need to focus. It's around 8 million range, 7.9 to 8 million range. Guys, we have opened up Bakarat Residences, these 2 buildings, right? Total only 77 apartments are there. Very exclusive project, branded by Bakarat from France, right? It's a luxury French brand. dealing with jewelries and all sophisticated items. Combined 77 apartments, yes. We don't know the prices yet, right? It's an ultra luxurious project, so expect the prices to be same as Nobu. Only if you have a client, you can work on it. The starting prices may, example, if we take about Nobu, we are talking about say 16 million starting for a 2 beds. So it has only 2 and 3 bedrooms, 2, 3 and 4 bedrooms. Only 77 units. 2 of them are penthouses, so remaining 75. I think 1 or 2 apartments are 4 beds and remaining all are 2 and 3 bedrooms. Now this 2 and 3 bedrooms, not all the units are front facing, right? You have grow facing units also. So expect the prices of these units, grow facing units, to start from at least 16, 17 million. The front ones might go up to say 24, 25 million. We don't know the prices yet. All right, only if you have that type of client, guys, you can raise the EOI. Why I'm telling, because there's no inventory, we have started the expression of interest, so I can advise you on the next steps. Payment plans, again, it's not confirmed. They say 65-35, but there's no confirmation yet. Prices, there's no confirmation. We are still collecting only expression of interest. Expression of interest means we'll create client's profile, right? We'll clear his compliance, his status. Once it's been cleared by our management, then only you can offer him a unit. We are not accepting any payment, so there's no payment for the EOI, so that's a good thing. Again, just a normal expression of interest online form to be filled, that's it. All right, so this is it with Baqara. All right, guys, so Dubai, we have 3 type of main highways. Starting from, everyone knows, this is 11 E11 Sheikh Zayed Road. Then we have E311, which is this road, and then we have 611, this road. All right, guys, 3 main type of highways. Now when we talk about Sheikh Zayed Road, everyone knows. Let's talk about Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road 311, which is connecting to Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, all these values. We have Global Village here. Now let's go into detail. So this land belongs to Wiles, right on 311 road. All right, opposite your Global Village exactly. So you can see here now, this is the main 311. All right, this is Global Village here. On the top is Al Barari here. On the top here is Living Legends, a community which is not, I would say it's not a closed gated community, right? Al Barari on the right hand side, bare minimum. We are talking about the 4 bedrooms starting from 10, 11 million. They are ready. So at this moment of time, we are not discussing about the villas. Let's discuss about the buildings now. We are launching Wild Residences. Total 6 towers are there completely. 1 beds starting from 1.5, 1.6 million. 2 beds from 2.5, I think, and 3 beds from 3.1. All right. Inside a gated community, location is fantastic. Our main rivals are Gaf Woods by Majid Al Futtaim. So our pricings are much better than them. Their 2 bedrooms, I think, will start from at least 2.8, 2.93 million. So we are in a range of 2.5. We are still good. The 1 beds are starting from 1.5, and then it is 1.7, 1.8, probably. The 2 bedrooms. So 1 bedrooms, we are talking about at least 95 square meter. Guys, they are very good size. You're talking about 1000 square feet size of 1 beds. The 2 beds will start from bare minimum. What we have is 2.6 million, size of 130 square meter, you can say. 3 beds, bare minimum we have is 3.3. The size starting from, wow, 190 to 226 square meter. Very spacious apartments. Right, guys, so this is the new launch by Wiles. The location first I told you about is this one, right? This is Wiles community location. Then we have Global Village here, IMG and all here. Second community, our Athlon community, is right behind Global Village. So this is completely Athlon. All right, guys. And right next to Athlon is Arabian Ranches 3 by Emaar, which is almost ready. This is our first community. It's called Heaven. Next to Heaven is Al Habtoor Polo Club, which is already ready. Again, a huge community, Villa Nova by Dubai Properties, a very old community. So the location of Dubai land is being, because it's completely an established area. Again, I'll repeat, this is Heaven by Aldar. Next to it is the Habtoor Polo Club. Next to it is Villa Nova. Then we have an Opal Bear Land, Arabian Ranches 3 is there, and then Athlon. Next to Athlon, this side is the Acres by Miras community, where they are by Dubai Properties, by Miras, where they are selling villas. So 3 communities to focus by Aldar. Again, this is Wiles, Athlon and Heaven. Athlon is again much more same community an established gated community, same like Wilds, wherein you have the medical, the hospital, the kindergarten, all these towers, and the metro extension here. That's the USP. Close to it. And this is a D54, yeah? This is not the main highway. This is the main highway, 61. Top location. Why? Because it's first of all on 311, and then there is, I think, Latifa bin Muhammad highway is there, which gives you a direct access to Wilds. In the future, the capital appreciation for that particular community, I expect it to be more than this. Yes. Heaven, the good thing is, Heaven was the first community by Aldar. So technically, if I see the people who have invested in Heaven, those time the room, the 3-bedroom villa was at a range of 3.37, 3.8. 4-bedroom, 4.1, 4.2. The same thing when we went to Athlon, it became 5 million. Same thing when we went to Wilds, it became 6 million. So the price is 1 million, just increased with the amount of time. I would say 1 year. Right now, at this point of time, I think the people in Heaven would make the maximum amount of money. Why? Because they have invested with the best money. It's almost the same locations. Wilds is just because of the location, it's a main USP because it's right on 311. These units, these communities are on 611, which makes a difference. Rise by Athlon, in Athlon, where this in Heaven or Wilds residences, apartments are much more the same. But I'm talking in terms of the location, yes, Wilds would be the best in terms of the location. But 311 has its own charm. 311 is the main highway which is connecting all the Emirates of UAE. Right? 611 is mainly the truck road. You will not see much vehicles there. 311 would be the future. In Athlon, before we going, if you have any client looking for villas, not a standard, a premium villa, it's already marked. Here it will show me all the premium villas on this cluster. So I'm talking, this is premium finishing in terms of, if you talk about the tiles, if you talk about the kitchen, the countertops, fully furnished kitchen, a lot of features are there, which it adds. And even as per the facade also, the facade of premium is different to standard villa altogether. The sizes are bigger for the premium villas if you talk about the plot sizes. Here we are talking about the plot size of 840 square meter. So if you have any client guys looking for premium villas, 13 million starting, you can pitch him. We'll just go through the future launches coming up in Yas, which is going to be particularly close to Yas Living. So particularly this area. Again, it won't be a canal facing project. It's going to be same like Yas Living. Expect the apartments to be launched on this. We have around 1,000 apartments. It's going to be a big project. Fayed, everyone knows, we'll be coming up with the townhouses and villas very soon. Saadiyat, we will be coming up with the Marina District. I think the villas here. Huge land is there. So these are the waterfront villas we'll be launching.